Hello friends, it's Sherry. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. I'm here to share some products with you that I recently received from Panda Hall Selected. They had contacted me about demonstrating some of their products, and I picked out three different ones that I had ever picked out before, and I will have all the links below to the website, all their contact information, a coupon, and all the products. So what I have for you spread out here is the first product, and these are cabochons. And the reason I picked these out was because, well, I like them because they have a pretty picture and a clock on them. So let me hold a couple up here. This one has a coffee pot. This one has a chef. And here's a pretty turquoise one. I just want to show you an example of how pretty they are. They're nice and just like, you know, if you've ever used cabochons, they have a little, not heavy, but you know, they are glass. So they have the glass weight to them. And so what I'm doing with these is I had picked up at a thrift store 3 jars like this of bottle caps. Okay. And so my idea was I was going to go to town making little charms. Okay. So I went to do one. I went to do some, and I did one, and I was like, oh, I can't, you know, I can't find pictures like this, you know. I really was just looking for little pictures that would show up in this little space, and I really had a hard time. Like, I have little pictures, but you know, I couldn't find enough the right size. So when I saw these, I was like, well, that'll be perfect. It'll save me time, and I'll have something really pretty to put in my bottle cap, so I could finally make some charms here out of my bottle caps. So yeah, so this is the one I made with my bottle cap and the cabochon from Amazon. And I punched a little hole, put a little jump ring on there, so that can be a charm now. And well, this is fine and pretty, but this is going to be so much prettier with the little pictures. So let me just show you one, or a couple. So here's my bottle caps. These are, most bottle caps, like these are real bottle caps, not like the ones you get to make charms, you know, the pretend ones, the faux ones. These are actual bottle caps that were used and pried off a bottle, so they're not perfectly, you know, so you can see they're a little wonky and little, you know, sometimes a little bent like this right here. Anyway, I thought that was, you know, they're old bottle caps. I mean, that's the way they are. So just say I want to make this into a charm. Well, first I would pop a hole in here and put a jump ring, and then I just glue one of these little cabochons with the picture I want in here with some Fabri-Tac. And you can use whatever glue you want to use. If you want to use E6000 because this is metal, you can use that. But I used Fabri-Tac on this one, and it's in there just fine. You know, it's not coming out. I can't get it out. So yeah, I would just pop, after I do my hole, my jump ring, I'm just going to pop some of these in, and I'll have my charms before I know it, hopefully. They'll be ready to go now. I've waited a long time to get these, and finally I found these at Panda Hall. So super cool, right? And I'll have lots of little pretty charms to use. So that's the cabochons. I'm going to leave these here. I don't know if you can see them, but there's lots of little pictures. I'll be coming back with a demonstration on using these and the other products, 2 more videos. And so this little box here is full of wooden buttons, and I picked these out because I've never used wooden buttons before, so I thought these would be fun, also colorful, and they have 2 holes and they're heart shaped. And I really just liked, you know, it doesn't matter what shape it was. I'll use these all year round. Just because this is a heart doesn't mean you have to use it for Valentine's. But of course I would use it for Valentine's and all year round. But there's just lots of pretty colors in here. Let me hold this up close. Maybe you can see. This is the back, the natural wood. And then the front is, of course, the colorful part. You can see the 2 holes. and all the pretty colors of the ones that are upright. So these will be fun to use. I'm going to try making charms out of these, and then also just gluing them down on things, and also putting, sewing them down and on things, and on our crafts, and also putting, sometimes we like to put like their faux sew down. So we put a little string through here and bring it up, usually up on top. It looks kind of cute where you tie a little knot or a bow and you have a cute little button, and you can line them up and just do all types of things with those. So those are going to be super fun. I can't wait to use those. And they're very lightweight, even though you can see the thickness. I wanted to show you that real quick. You can see the thickness, but they're not heavy at all. They're like, you don't even feel any kind of weight in your hand with those. So very nice. And then the other third thing and last thing that I got was some charms. I think the website called them pendants, but I searched for charms, and these came up. And these are Christmas charms, which I only had a few and I already used. I think I have one left. The ones I have, I received all those in Happy Mail. So now I have a bunch. Can you see? I don't know if it's just showing you like sparkle or what, but let me put a few in my hand. There is 2 of each one. I think I looked through these a little bit already and figured out there was 2 of each one. So, they're for, besides what we use them for, usually is charms, little bead dangles type things for our journals. Maybe hang them on a tag. But these are also for jewelry making. If you want to make yourself a pair of Christmas earrings, you could do that with these charms. So, because there's 2 of each one. See, here's 2 stockings right here. And they're also cute, and I will be working with these in a demonstration video. But there's a Santa, and there's a Santa. Cute little deer. There's 2 or 3 different kind of deer in here. Stockings, a few different kinds of stockings and Santas. There's a snowman. There's a snowman. And, oh, cute. There's a couple cute little Christmas trees. Sorry about my clearing my throat. I have this cold that I'm trying to deal with. So please excuse that. It's temporary. But these are so cute. So here's a cute little deer. Oh, I figured out this one was, there's 2 of these, and this one I figured out is okay, so see this one in the middle here? This one is, I figured out, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Isn't he adorable? There's 2 of them in there somewhere. Here's another one with a red nose too. A reindeer with a red nose. And then here's a little gift package. So lots of cute. You can see how many you get. They feel very nice, and a good weight to them, and just a nice little charm, and they all look really pretty. So I will also be working with those and making some things for my Christmas journals. So stay tuned, and I'll have 2 more videos working with these products. Thanks for watching today and for checking out all the links. If you need anything, don't forget to click on my links, because that way they'll know you came from my video for my products, and also the coupon. Thanks for watching today, and have a great day, and happy crafting.